That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS!
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget. So solid! White Rose Papaya, wow! White Rose! White Rose Papaya, wow! White Rose! White Rose Papaya! May glow up with the White Rose Papaya. Puti sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil. Glow up with the power of 2. White Rose Papaya. Puti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality. ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With alphabeta gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, some coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako believe.
Ako si Jigo Manicad, broadcast journalist at news anchor. Sa MX3 Capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3.
DMC Philippines presents the music of Earth, Wind, and Fire by the Chicago Funk. And Lionel Richie by the Richie Experience. Invite you to sing a song all night long. Don't miss this tribute to the legends live in concert. For the first time ever, a tribute to Earth, Wind, and Fire and Lionel Richie together on one magical night you don't want to miss on March 3 at 8 p.m. at Newport Performing Arts Theater at Newport World Resorts. Also featuring our very own FBC Rebirth. Book your tickets now. Available at Ticket World and DMC Philippines. This event is brought to you by DWWW 774.
Magandang kalusugan po! Si Ate Chat Ramirez de Luna po ito. Inaanyayahan po namin kayong makinig sa Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Araw-araw, mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, sa ganap na alas 5 ng hapon hanggang alas 6. At pag Sabado, sa ganap na alas 8:30 ng umaga hanggang alas 9. Dito, sa ating paboritong himpilan, DWWW 774 sa ating talapitan. Mas maganda nang nag-iingat sa kalusugan dahil mahal magkasakit. Magastos po! Ate Chat, Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Maraming salamat po!
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab-Gone, bakit makabloom sa charm? Walang amoy kulong, kahit sampay sa loob. Makabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Naaalala mo pa ba ang kwento ng EDSA? Isang panahong nagkaisa ang ordinaryong Pilipino para sa isang pambihirang layunin. Ang EDSA People Power Revolution patunay na kapag sama-sama, kaya nating baguhin ang takbo ng kasaysayan. Ngayong Pebrero 25, balikan natin ang aral ng EDSA, pagkakaisa, tapang at malasakit sa bayan. EDSA People Power Anniversary. Kwento ng bayan para sa bayan. Isang mensahe mula sa DWWW 774, your ultimate news and music radio.
Muli nating balikan ang Doctor's Orders sa DWWW 774, your clinic on the air.